Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you, I'm participating in a swap. It is hosted by Crafty Mama here on YouTube. It was an Easter pocket letter swap, and it's a one-on-one swap, and my partner is Nancy, who is Crafty Mama here on YouTube. I will put her link as well as the other participants in my description box below. Okay, this is my package that I received from Nancy, who is Crafty Mama here on YouTube. Like I said, the links to the other participants will be in the description box below, so you guys can go check them out and get some inspiration. Let me get a scissors. And they had it folded in half in my P.O. box, so I hope that was alright. But here we go. Okay, empty. She wrapped it in. Okay, so obviously this is the pocket letter. Happy Easter. Oh, so let's open this. Sorry for all of the... So glad you joined my Easter pocket letter swap. I hope you like the pocket letter I made. Aw, thank you. I do. I will. Cute. This nice springy frame. Thank you so much. And then let's check out the pocket letter. Oh. So, sorry for all the crinkling. So much of it. How pretty. So here's the pocket letter she has. Looks like she added some stickles onto the flowers and the bird and the butterfly. She added something to these flowers too, maybe glossy accents. It looks stamped, like there's a pattern to them. Can you see that? How cute are the bumblebees? Then the rabbit. And then she has one joy here with the bouquet. How cute is this bunny? Says today, take time for you and enjoy every little thing that you do. I try. Here's one with a nest. Here's another bunny in a basket. And spring birding with birds, and the birds have worms in their mouth. And then look at all the funness she shared. And she shares some orange and spice herbal tea. So my mom likes this. This is her favorite tea. I don't drink too much tea, and so I don't have too many around the house for an assortment of them of any sort. But yeah, so I know this one's a good one. And then she made this embellishment there. And it's just puffed up, and she stamped a rabbit. I can color him and use him on something. And then she gifted me a teddy bear and some beads. These are good for shakers because they make noise. And then this one is stamped as well with a basket. And then she gifted me some wood veneers. How funny, I gifted her some wood veneers too. And some of these felt Easter shapes. And then another die cut. Oh, and then she sent me a kit so I can make my own Easter kit. Easter chick. And then some more beads. And it looks like each one has stamped images. Oh, thank you so much. I get to add this to my binder of page of pocket letters. And it's a cute little tassel she's added. Yeah. So thank you so much, Nancy. It was fun to participate. I hope you like the stuff that I sent your way. This is late, so I just need to hurry and get this out. I haven't finished filling the pockets, but I'm gonna fill them right after this video so I can pop this in the mail and get this to her. But for the pockets, I used the Bloom Collection by Makaz Home. And I've had this page banner gifted to me from a Crafty friend. I've used that, and it's another Makaz Home collection. I also got this embellishment from a Crafty friend last year. And then I just added some sentiments. I don't have very much Easter stuff. I actually thought I had more Easter crafting supplies than I did, and I do not. So this is what I came up with. I've had this dangle I made last year, so I thought it'd be a good addition. And so I'm just going to, we had to include a tea. This is the tea I have around the house. I don't drink too much tea, but a lot of the tea I have is in not this type of bags, so it was easier to package this tea. Yeah, so I just have a few more pockets to fill, my pocket letter to write, and this will go in the mail. So thank you so much, Nancy, for hosting this. It was so much fun. I hope you enjoy your pocket letter and the goodies. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.